You've probably heard the buzz about Lunar. Sleek app, modern banking, the whole 9 yards. But let's cut through the shiny exterior. The real question is Lunar actually free? Now, I know what you're thinking. Free money? Sign me up. But hold your horses. Nothing in life is truly free, right? Especially when it comes to your hard-earned cash. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. First off, what exactly is Lunar? Is it a bank, a fintech startup, or something entirely different? Well, it's a bit of both. Lunar partners with traditional banks to offer you a digital banking experience. Think of it as a fancy wrapper for your money. But here's the kicker, while the app itself might be free to download, there are definitely some costs involved. Let's break it down. Hidden fees, this is where things can get tricky. Lunar might not charge you upfront fees, but there could be other costs lurking in the shadows. Things like currency exchange fees, ATM withdrawal fees, or even inactivity fees. It's crucial to read the fine print. Interest rates, if you're planning to save with Lunar, interest rates are a big deal. Are they competitive? Do they offer any perks or bonuses? Or are you better off sticking with a traditional savings account? Customer service, a good banking experience is more than just a pretty app. What happens when something goes wrong? How easy is it to reach Lunar customer support? And how helpful are they? Now, I'm not saying Lunar is a bad deal. In fact, for some people, it could be a great option. But it's essential to do your research and weigh the pros and cons. Don't just blindly jump on the bandwagon because everyone else is doing it. To help you make an informed decision, I've done some digging. I've compared Lunar to other digital banks and traditional banks. I've looked at fees, interest rates, customer reviews, and more. I'll share my findings with you so you can decide if Lunar is right for you. But remember, everyone's financial situation is different. What works for one person might not work for another. That's why it's important to consider your own needs and goals. So, is Lunar account free? Well, it depends. It's free to sign up, but there might be other costs involved. The real question is whether the benefits outweigh the costs for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.